Okay guys, so today we're focusing on comparing and contrasting. Now this author uses some certain words to compare and contrast different animal tools. So if you look on page 6, you've got lots of pictures that will help guide our reading. Today we're going to focus on words that the authors use to show comparing and contrasting. If you look at paragraph number 2, the author uses the word "and" to show how things are similar. So if I read around the word, it says ducks and polar bears are born with webbed feet. Now that's a similarity. So she's showing how ducks and polar bears are the same. They both have webbed feet. Good. But if you also look at the picture and the caption underneath, if we read that, there's a word in there that also shows how they're similar. It says, ducks, like polar bears, use their large webbed feet to move quickly through the water. Can you find the word that shows how ducks and polar bears are similar? If you said like, that's correct. So it says ducks, comma, which means you take a pause. Ducks, like polar bears, used large webbed feet. So again, it says that ducks are just like polar bears because they use their large webbed feet. Okay? But if you keep reading and go to paragraph number 3, it says, webbed feet help different animals in different ways. Polar bears use webbed feet to swim faster. Flying frogs use webbed feet to glide through the air. Now when you read that, is that paragraph showing how things are similar or how things are different? And what clue did you have in the text that shows that? What evidence? So this paragraph doesn't show how they're alike, they show how they're different, right? And the clue, the context clue, is they use the word different. In fact, it uses it twice. In this paragraph, it says that different animals use their webbed feet in different ways. And then it gives an example. How do polar bears use their webbed feet? They use it to swim faster, that's right. And how do frogs use their webbed feet? They use it to glide through the air, that's right. So in this paragraph, it says that they're different even though they have something similar. So paragraph 2 says that ducks and polar bears are alike because they both have webbed feet. Paragraph number 3 shows how animals use their webbed feet, but differently. That's compare and contrast. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to reread paragraph number 4, and I want you to go and find what they're talking about. The author is showing you certain things about the animals. Go and find some similarities or differences in paragraph number 4, just like we just did.